What's going on, guys? It is Bernardo, and today is all about removing the security tab from File Explorer using a group policy. So let's get right into it. All right, so today is all about creating a GPO, group policy object, to remove the security tab from File Explorer. Super simple. So I'm going to head into a workstation, and my workstation is called PC02. Within here, I have all the tools for me to become, be a system admin without logging into the physical server. So I'm going to launch up the group policy management console. And within here, when I create a group policy, I like to start within the group policy objects folder. I'm going to right click on it and I'm going to select new. For the name, I give it the following. And I'm going to click OK here. We are going to locate and select our new GPO. We're going to right click on it. We're going to click on edit. And as soon as it opens up, we are going to head into the user configuration node. From here, we're going to open up the policies folder. We're going to open up the administrative templates folder. And we're going to locate Windows components and double click on it to open it up. And we're going to locate the File Explorer folder. And on your right-hand side, we are going to locate Remove Security tab. So once you find the features, just double-click on it. By default, it is not configured, so we need to enable it. We're going to click Apply. We're going to click OK. We're going to close our Group Policy Management Editor. We're going to locate an organizational unit or an OU. I'm going to select users because, again, this is tackling users. So I'm going to select my users OU. I'm going to right click on it. I'm going to select link an existing GPO, select our GPO. There it goes, and click OK. And that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoy, and I catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.